You can make an e-commerce store using Shopify or Wordpress with no coding. But if you want to sell products on them, they start charging you a monthly fee. They also charge you a separate monthly fee for every plugin that you're gonna need to sell products or run your website in a better way. And trust me, you're gonna need them. These monthly costs add up and aggregate into a premium charge, so these websites aren't really free. We're going to show you what no other Udemy course currently offers at the time of this recording. We're going to show you how to make a web store with no coding skills, and you can sell your products for free. So if you're someone that's always wanted this, then take this course. If you don't have any products to sell, I've got you covered there as well. I'll show you places that you can obtain products from, and I'll show you how to pick the products that you want to sell. We fully believe in Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. Which means you have nothing to lose in taking this course, so hop on. I'll see you on the other side.